Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Hope that all of you are aware that Masterminds has launched its own app, Android app called Masterminds Online Classes app. I hope that all of you are aware of this information. Now through this app, we are going to start a new service to CA Inter students. Now CA Inter students can appear for revision exams using this Masterminds Online Classes app itself. So we have three separate schedules, one schedule for both groups, one schedule for group 1, another schedule for group 2, aiming for November 2020 attempt. Now I will explain you how to use this service. First of all, go to Play Store. So open the app, Masterminds Online Classes app, install it. After installation, the app will ask you to enter your mobile number. Through OTP, you are supposed to log into the app. Don't forget, you need to log in through the same mobile number even in future also. Once the app gets installed, this is how the screen will look like. Once the app is installed, this is how the screen will look like. Now click Store. There is a tab, there is an icon called Store. Click that. In that store, all the videos or content available for sale will be appearing on the screen. Here, see, there is an icon called CA Inter both groups revision exams for November 2020. Click on that. So here it is, clear-cut description of these revision exams. We have given a detailed description on how we are going to conduct the revision exams. Don't forget, there are separate schedules for both groups, group 1, group 2. So every week we are going to conduct 2 exams for the students of both groups and even for the students of group 1 or group 2. So weekly twice exams will be conducted. So click this overview button. By clicking this overview tab, you will get detailed description of revision exams. You may want to know some more information about the revision exams. Then click the tab called Content. Here there is a heading, Guidance on various aspects of revision exams. Click that. We have provided few videos. Explaining various aspects of revision exams. How to access revision exam question papers through Masterminds Online Classes app. This is one question. How we are going to conduct CA Inter revision exams for 43rd session regular batch students. How to scan answer sheets and send them to our staff. You can watch these 3 videos even before making payment. I suggest all the students to first watch these videos and then make the payment. After that, once you feel that you are comfortable with the revision exams, then click the button Buy Now. You need to select the state. Now you will be shown various methods of making the payment. After making the payment, then you can open and view the revision exam schedule. Until then, the revision exam schedule will be locked. You will not be allowed to open. So once after making the payment, the revision exam schedule can be opened. So open and view the revision examination schedule. After that, for every examination, 30 minutes before the scheduled time of the exam, we will upload the question papers and suggested answers. Remaining things are already explained in the respective videos itself. So I expect all the students to make best use of this service. It's a very convenient way to write revision exams by using Masterminds Online Classes app. Very soon we'll bring some more services through this Masterminds Online Classes app. Stay tuned and stay in touch with the app. Thank you.